Hello friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of a very special miniature model. It's a miniature model of, well, a very special car. It's the Ferrari 499P, the winner of 2023 Le Mans race, and it's number 51. So here we go. Before we unbox, I'd like to show you that this is how the package had come, and it's important that we do the unboxing because the agency which has sent me this box also wants that the unboxing is done so that in case there's any defect there is proof. So let's start. First I'm going to cut through the bubble wrap very carefully along the opening. Wow, it's nicely packaged. It's good that they take care while packaging, and it looks sturdy and feels sturdy, because these miniatures are, after all, very delicate pieces of art. And here comes the box out of the cover. Let's put the cover aside. It's from Scale Arts with my lovely name. Okay, ready to open it and see what's inside. Very careful not to cut it too deep so that the main case doesn't get cut. Just as I had expected, this additional packing so that it doesn't move around. Lo and behold, you can see the Ferrari red, and here goes. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. So it's the Bburago 1-18 24-hour Le Mans hypercar from Ferrari called the 499P. Such a wonderful piece of machinery that is. Absolutely beautiful. And from what it looks, it seems pretty detailed. There you go. I love the Ferrari red. And now it's time to open the case. Very nicely, very gently, because after all, the case itself is very pretty. One, two, three. Here we go. Delightful stuff. Absolutely delightful stuff. Oh my god. Look at that. You have a lovely finish of the red. You have this band which is holding the doors, so the doors are openable. The steering, the wheels steer and they rotate. So do the rear ones. You see these little bits of carbon fiber directly on the plastic. It's got a nice lovely stand with a nice finish. And finally, we cut the tape and demonstrate how the doors open. Very careful. Oh, there you go. You've got these little bits and pieces of detail inside, and it's got this lovely carbon fiber even on the dash, and little wipers out there, and a little probe in the front. Very nice detailing. Beautiful. I love it. So friends, this is the Ferrari 499P 24-hour Le Mans winner, and here it is, 1:8 scale model. Thanks for watching.